If you're looking for a best free comprehensive website builder, this video is for you because I want to show you Site 123. This is really the best free comprehensive website builder that will let you to build anything that you want from ready to go templates just in couple minutes, literally. Absolutely crazy tool. And if you need a website, if you want to build a web page, if you want to be visible for your clients, maybe you have a business and you still don't have website, this tool will be definitely suitable for you because this is really simple and easy. You can pick from the beautiful website templates that are already done. They are already there. The layout is chosen for different types of business, and you just need to customize them a little bit. You need to put your own content there, and what's interesting, there's pictures. There's tons of pictures interesting that you can use for your website. So you don't need to create extra content. It can be done just from one spot, and all the things can be done literally under 10 minutes. And I'm going to show you an editor in this video. You'll find out how to use an editor, what are the features of each point. So the general features of Site 123: website editor that no coding required, mobile-friendly websites that are adaptable to any type of a desktop, to any type of device where your potential clients will visit your website. Free hosting SEO tools that will let you to be more visible to your potential clients, to be higher in the SEO rankings, so and higher than your competitors in the SEO results. Custom domains, there are near to 400 extensions, and you can register your own custom domain with the name of your brand, with the name of your business, and you can even build online store using this editor. This is absolutely simple. It's easy to use. It's absolutely intuitive. So I want to show you how it works from inside. To start, right now, you need to press the link in the description panel of this video, and you're going to be on the official website. Then you need to press start here. The system will ask you to sign up, and you can make that with your Google account or with your Facebook account. I already do have an account, so jump in and let's take a look to an editor. Here you go. You need to press create new website, and Site 123 will ask you what kind of a website do you want to build, or it's going to be blog or handyman service or creative arts or business or photography or CV and portfolio. Let's choose any of them. Handyman service. You need to type in your website name, but it can be changed. So for the moment, it doesn't matter. And I want to say that you already have a website. Just couple clicks from publishing it to World Wide Web. There's a small tutorial. We're gonna skip it if you know nothing about how to build a website. This will be handy, but we're gonna skip it. All right, we are on the website, and all the services, all the things here. So how to edit? We have pages, design, settings, and domain. Let's start from pages first. All the pages that your site contains: home, about, services, and contact. And all those pages you can find here in the header. Best handyman. You can edit the logo section. You can add a picture of logo if you do have one. If you don't have, it's quite okay to use just a text. and you can choose it's gonna be bold or not. You can choose all the settings here, logo, letter spacing, and so on. Word spacing, I can text spacing. So you can play around with all those, or you can use Logo Maker to add it to create your own logo if you don't have one. We are on the home page. We have couple pieces of text. You can add with this plus a new title, or you can remove it with this trash can button. And when you clicking on it, you have all the things that you need to work with a text. You can change fonts, you can change everything that you want as you think is gonna be best for you. If you don't like the background picture, you can change it right here. You can search for the pictures using this search bar and this funny picture. You can choose a color, solid color, gradients and colors, text color. All the things can be changed right here. Or I like this picture. Let it be like this. Yeah, that's cool. It's already cool. If you're out of some pages about me, services, and contact, you can add new page from a list. There's popular and the list of options. For example, you have a team maybe, and there's different types of layouts of how the team will be displayed. Let's choose this one, and here you go. There's a team page, and the team page is already right here. If you want to move this section, let's say section about me, team, services, it's gonna be services higher than the team, and that's it. You already have a website. All the things can be changed with the added button or with this gear button of sections, so you can change everything. If you want to move this section lower or higher, you can just press this small buttons, arrow buttons here, or you can duplicate the section also from this spot. If you don't want some pages to be here, you just can press delete, remove, and that's it. Here in the design, you can find colors, and this is one of my favorite actually. You can change the color scheme of your website just in one click. This is really cool. Let's find some warm. Yeah, I like this one. Let it be like that. Fonts, all the fonts of all the website except the home page. So the home page fonts, you need to add it directly on the home page, but all other fonts can be changed just in one click. You can choose any type of a font that you want from this insane list, as is this one. Okay, it's not readable, so doesn't matter. The main thing is that everything can be changed literally in couple seconds. Also, you can add it a header, you can show phone number, you can show email, you can show location address, or switch it off if you don't want it to be visible right here at the header section. The same thing with a footer. All the things can be changed. You have general settings, website name. I told you that you can change your website name right from this spot. Website type, and so on. And of course, domain. You can choose your unique domain with a lot of extensions here, and you can choose your domain straight from here, because temporary subdomain looks not so good, and this will affect your search engine optimization. You will be more visible to the search engines, and that's quite it. Here on this spot, you can check how your website will be visible on different types of devices, and it's adaptable. I told you that it's adaptable. You don't need to build separate website for the mobile version. It's absolutely easy. You can edit everything just literally with couple clicks, and guys, you can build your own website under 20 minutes. Period. And this is great. If you want to try, press the link in the description panel of this video. You can find it right there. As for me, Site123 is one of the best and easiest way to build your own website. And it's free. Isn't that cool? So guys, thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this was useful. And hope that you'll try to build your own online presence using Site123. Thanks, y'all. Take care. See ya.